Start to finish?
Yeah, I'll start to finish.
Well, I'll get
Keep
what I can out of it, because this some bitch
What's the
here.
best view?
I don't know. Right
Just
there. Tell me when you're ready.
okay.
You got the knife?
Let me record. Go. You ready?
Alright. And the chicken goes in the chute. And he gets a hold of his head. Here's Mr. Knife. There he goes. Choke.
Whoa.
Alright. Little kick, and we're gonna let him bleed. I gotta stop. Because it'll run out. Then we'll go steam.
Trip. Out.
Alright. Out of the tube. And we go to the scalding pot. 3 or 4 dunks. It's ready to get undressed.
Chicken. It's good.
Yep. And we go to the little finger wheel. Oh, we go to the right there. You can see the feather fly. Good. That's finished.
Handwork and it's done.
Boom.
It ain't real good.
Cutting the feet off.
This is the crawl that we are removing at the present time.
Well, I'm following this life of this chicken on the right.
They got a lot of blood in it.
You cut its feet off, and now you're.
He's footless.
He ain't dancing anymore. We
He no be dancing.
split him.
Yeah, this one you just slide it in, and it senses it. But there's every once in a while it gets like funky, and then it'll be like, oh, did this thing now? Yeah. I don't want to get anything. Yeah.
It all comes
Strong.
out.
Maybe that can be strong.
All the goodies.
Yeah, he might not know. Yeah, throw him down with everything.
Tori would love this.
The anatomy.
Yep. She'd pick through the intestines to see what it ate.
Really? She would. Well, that's, most girls wouldn't want to do that.
You keeping some of it?
Liver.
Keeping the liver.
Done.
Oh, she got. Oh, look at her go.
She's gonna try it. She said, that duck's strong. I don't know.
Oops.
Is that one of them ornery males?
Yeah.
She's taking out her vengeance
You
on
ain't
that
gonna like
son
that
of a gun.
We got 2 males that are just beat the crap out of those females. So we're just gonna keep 1 male. Maybe we can make some more. There's an experiment as far as ducks go.
Yeah.
This part takes a long time. No wonder you're on the other side, on the other projects.
That's what I said, Thomas.
He's got his FNs.
Yeah, got the
Well,
skin and
I want to see that one.
Yep,
He's good to go.
pretty much. Here, there's some.
Oh yeah.
You're just trimming out the feathers?
Yeah.
Bad dude.
You couldn't cut him?
That thing's they got bones in there, Doc. Yeah. No, but I mean, chickens got gristle. They got bones.
You pulled an Ellery. Said Ellery.
Oh, couldn't you cut
I don't feel so bad anymore. I at least got my head
Oh
off.
my god. Oh, that is like hilarious.